Hello, we are Group 1 and for the project management assignment, we have to make use of AppSheet. I am Saloni Munch and my teammates are Dhanush, Ishita and Tanmay. Our topic is creating an app using AppSheet for inventory management of an ice cream store. Now let's start with what exactly is AppSheet. Building applications without a need to learn coding opens lot of new possibilities. Imagine that you can create a simple mobile app that is suitable for your business needs and you don't even need to hire a single developer. That's what AppSheet platform is all about. It is a no-code development service. AppSheet can offer plenty of functionalities and conveniences to make the process of app creation seamless and easy to learn for everyone. It can be used in project management, customer relationship management, field inspections, and personalized reporting. The main goal of AppSheet was to create an environment that will allow everyone to build mobile apps quickly. This way, everyone would be able to afford to have their own apps because hiring or outsourcing developers can be costly and mostly for the small businesses. Also, it can consume a lot of time and resources. Now let's come to inventory management and why is it important for businesses. With the help of inventory management software, companies can automate the process of ordering, storing, and optimizing their goods in a single place. It helps companies identify which and how much stock to order at what time. It ensures there's always enough stock to fulfill customer orders and proper warning of a shortage. One of the most valuable assets of a company is its inventory. In various industries such as retail, food services, and manufacturing, a lack of inventory can have detrimental effects. Aside from being a liability, inventory can also be considered a risk. It can be prone to theft, damage, and spoilage. Having large inventory can also lead to reduction of sales. Regardless of the size of your company, having a proper inventory management system is very important for any business. It helps make sure that there is rarely too much or too little stock on hand, limiting the risk of stockouts and inaccurate records. It also helps the warehouse managers to keep track of their inventory levels of the products, allowing them to have full transparency into their chain to monitor the flow of goods from their suppliers. Further, my teammate Dhanush will take it forward on how we have actually incorporated our inventory management of our ice cream store using AppSheet.
I will be explaining on how to create an inventory management app using Google AppSheet. First, we need to create an Excel sheet. Here, I have already created an Excel sheet consisting of three different sheets: inventory, sales, and restock. These three sheets will appear as three different sections in the application. In the inventory sheet, we have product code, product flavor, and then image, which is in JPG format, category, then comes initial stock, restock level, and price. In the sales sheet, we have timestamp, product code, and then quantity. Remaining rows are added automatically from the application. And also similarly in the restock sheet, we have timestamp, product code, and then quantity. After setting the sheet up, it's time to create the application. In order to create the application, first we need to sign in to the Google AppSheet using a mail ID. I have signed in to my account in the Google AppSheet. This is my account. Now, in order to create an app, we need to select create, go to app, start with existing data. Now we need to type the name of the app. I'm typing it as ice parlor, and then we have to select the category as inventory management, and then we have to select the app, select the Google Sheet, and search for the Google Sheet name. Go to inventory app sheet where we created the Excel sheet. After selecting the sheet, We are importing the Excel sheet here. And after importing the Excel sheet, we have imported the first Excel sheet, and we need to add the remaining sheets in the Excel sheet. So go to select the plus mark, go to the Google Sheet, search for the Google Sheet name, which is Inventory App Sheet. Select Inventory App Sheet, select the worksheet. Now you have to select sales, add this table. Now the sales worksheet is added, and here is the sales worksheet. We need to add views of the sales sheet. So go to views, select sales, and change the view type to form, and then save. And we have added the sales sheet to the application. And this is how the UI of both the sheets. Now let us add one more sheet. Select add new data, go to the Google Sheet, then search for the inventory app sheet in order to import the data from the Excel sheet. Select the worksheet, select restock, add this table. Now the third sheet is added. Now in order to change the view of the restock, we need to go to views and add view. So create a new view, change the view name to restock level, and then change the view type to form.
By now, we must be aware about how to create a basic app using Google Sheets in the app sheet. Let me quickly give you a brief overview of our inventory app sheet for an ice cream parlor. The app automatically converted a Google Sheet into tables. As you can see on the screen, under the data section, we have three basic tables known as the inventory table, restock table, and a sales table. The same sheet can be accessed by the View Data Source tab on the app sheet. This tab shows us the sheet that we had originally created. Coming back to the app sheet, on the right hand side we can see a preview of a basic preview of our app. Here again we have four options, that is inventory, sales, restock needed, and add stock. Let us first see what an inventory tab is. Under this section, we have a list of all the products which are bifurcated based on their product categories that are available in an ice cream parlor. Let us take the example of a butterscotch cone. Here we can see the image of the product code, and the initial quantity of the product that is available. Further, we can have more details such as the category to which it belongs to, the initial stock, what minimum restock levels are required, the price of the product, and the current stock that is available. Any further information related to sales and previous restocks can be seen over here. Now let us understand how the app can be used to create a sales. Let's continue with the same example and select the product code as butterscotch cone. Let's say I want to sell 4 quantity and I'll save. Now in the inventory we can see that the initial stock was 10, and after selling 4 product the current stock is 6. The information related to the sales can be seen on the screen. We can see the date and the time at which the sale was made. Now let us try to further understand the concept of restock needed. Here for this we have created a restock table and a restock view named as restock needed. On the left hand side we can see the restock table and the name of the view, which is restock needed. What this does is that it calculates the current inventory of each product. For that we have created a virtual column called as the current stock within the inventory table. Here on the screen you can see the current stock, and for this we have written a query which calculates the current levels of the stock. What it does is it references the restock table and the sales table and calculates the stock that is available currently. Now the store manager should also be able to make sure that he has enough stock to sell. For that we need to display the restock needed for products which have a current low stock. In the inventory table we can see that we have a column known as the restock level that is used to display the restock that is needed for products having a low current stock. This means that whenever the current stock reaches the restock level, the app should display the product that needs restocking. For creating this, we have added a slice to the inventory table and have renamed it as restock needed. Again, here we have used a formula which calculates whether the current stock is less than or equal to the restock level. If it is so, it will be displayed on the screen. Let's see an example for the same. Under the sales section, let's just select the same product, which is the butterscotch cone, and this time I'll again sell 4 products and save. Now I can see that my initial stock being 10, now my current stock is 2 and my restock level is 5. So when I check the restock needed, I can see that I have an alert for the butterscotch cone and it says that I need to restock it. Now let's add the stock back. I go to the add stock section. I'll again select the product code as the butterscotch cone and I'll select, let's say, again 5 products. And now the pop-up is gone, which means my sales quantity is maintained. So now the inventory management app is ready. This is a simple app. One can even set up an automation process for triggering emails, SMS notifications for certain processes, and automate the repetitive tasks using bots which are available in the app sheet.
Google Sheets can be a great solution if you are starting a new business and looking for an easy and cost effective way to manage your inventory. Some of the key reasons are: first, accessibility. With Google Sheets, you can access your inventory information from anywhere with an internet connection on a mobile or a desktop. Second, real time updates. Google Sheets allows you to update inventory levels in real time, which means you will always have the latest information available with you. Third, customizability. You can customize your Google Sheet to fit your specific inventory management needs. Fourth, collaboration. Google Sheets makes it easy to collaborate with other team members. You can share your sheet with multiple people and track changes, which can help to ensure accuracy and reduce errors. Fifth, cost effectiveness. Google Sheet is a free tool which makes it a cost effective option for new businesses that are already trying to keep their expenses down. Sixth, automatic calculations. With Google Sheets, you can set up automatic calculations to help you stay on top of the things like total inventory value, reorder point, and more. This can help us to save our time and reduce errors. Thank you.